Good morning, children. Now, what is the lesson name? Creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies. So, before starting this lesson, I would like to ask few questions, children. First one, see, in the textbook, you have one insect. Okay. See, what is this insect? What is this insect, children? Yes, that is cockroach. That is a cockroach. Do you know other insects also? Do you know other insects also? Tell me the examples for the insects. Yes, mosquito, housefly, ants, butterfly. Yes, very good. All these are the insects. Okay. Now, the lesson name is Creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies. One more question, children. Do they walk? Do the insects walk? Yes, say yes or no. Do they fly? Yes, they will fly. Some insects will fly, some insects will crawl. Okay, now that is why here creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies. Okay, that means actually creepy crawlies means are the flies, worms, or insects. Okay, when we see they are unpleasant, they are unpleasant. Do all the insects we like? No, we like only some of the insects. We like only some of the insects like butterflies. Okay, they look beautiful. But we don't like all the insects. They are unpleasant and they are harmful also. So, creepy crawlies means the creepy crawlies is the insect or the fly, okay, or the worm, okay, which are very unpleasant. Which are very unpleasant. That means by seeing only we will be scared. They are frightening. They are frightening. Frightening children. Frightening means, okay, by seeing we will be afraid or we will be scared. Understand? We will be scared. That is why these are called as creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies. Now we are going to learn about the insects. First one, insects can be harmful. Not all the insects, children. Some insects are useful also. Some insects are useful also. Worms, spider. Do you know spider? Have you seen the Spider-Man movie? Very good. Okay. So those are spiders and scorpions. Scorpions are poisonous. Children, the scorpions are poisonous, children. The poison will be present in the tail and some uses of insects also we are going to learn. So what we are going to learn about the creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies means the insects or the worms or the flies which are very unpleasant and frightening. Okay, and in this lesson we are going to learn harmful insects, useful insects, and worms, spiders, and scorpions. Now let's see the conversation between Radhika and Mihika. Radhika and Mihika. Now Mihika is asking Radhika, see children, hi Radhika, do you know what we call a small crawling creature? Crawling means it is not walking, it is not swimming, it is not flying. Children, if you will observe a small baby in your house, okay, he or she, the baby won't walk, okay, but she or he, that means the baby tries to move from one place to another place without the legs. He or she uses the hands, legs, and tummy. hands, legs and tummy. Tummy means here. Okay, tummy is the nothing but the stomach. So by touching the tummy to the floor and by using the hands and legs, the small babies will move. Okay, here also that is called as creeping. Without touching the tummy, okay, if they will use hands and legs, that is called crawling. Here the insects, okay, use some insects touches the tummy to the floor, some insects won't touches the tummy to the floor. Tummy means stomach, children. So insects can fly, insects can creep. Creep means just they will move with the help of the stomach, hands and legs. Okay, some insects will fly. Do you know? Come on, tell me, what are the insects that fly? Very good. Butterfly, mosquitoes, house flies. These are the examples. Okay, some insects can crawl. If you will observe the cockroach, cockroach has two features, children. Cockroaches can fly, cockroaches can crawl also. Okay, that means the walking is called as crawling. The walking of the cockroach is called crawling. Okay, right. It's crawling. Okay, so now Mihika is asking Radhika. Okay, hi Radhika, do you know what we call a small crawling creature? Creature is nothing but the organism or the animal. Creature is, here see, creature is, okay, that is an animal, small animal here. Okay, creature is an animal. Now here Radhika is answering Mahika. When someone asks you the question, definitely you will answer, no? Like that, here Radhika is answering Mahika. I know we call it a creepy crawly. Now here see, children, the cockroach is there. Okay, this is creepy crawly. Why? Because by seeing only we won't like the cockroach. Some small children will be scared, will be afraid by seeing the cockroach only. Okay, not only the cockroach, small worms, small insects. Okay, all these are unpleasant. Okay, which we don't like. Unpleasant means we don't like, and we will be scared. Understand? Right, children? So here very tiny animals can be found crawling. Very tiny means very small. Okay, these animals can be found crawling, children. These animals can be found crawling, flying and creeping. Crawling, flying and creeping. Creeping means without touching the belly to the floor, moving. Creeping means touching the belly to the floor, moving. Crawling means without touching the belly to the floor, moving. Flying means you know that insects will fly in the air. Once again I tell, here see, creeping means touching the belly to the floor. Crawling means without touching the belly to the floor. Okay, flying means in the air it moves. So very tiny animals can be found crawling, flying and creeping everywhere. Where the insects can be found? Yes, insects can be found in the soil. Insects can be found in the soil, in water. Insects can be found soil, in water. Next, on plants, and in the air. On plants, in the air. See, children, once again I repeat, where the insects can be found. Insects can be found in the soil, in water. Soil means soil is present on the land, and in water. Do you know water, children? Yes. On plants and in the air. So insects are present almost everywhere. Yes or no? The group of these creepy-crawlies means these animals, this group of animals come under creepy-crawlies. So what are the animals that are present? Insects, spiders, earthworms and scorpions. Once again I repeat, insects, see children, insects, okay, insects. Next one is spiders, insects, spiders, earthworms, scorpions, scorpions. See children, all these are creepy crawlies. All these are creepy crawlies. Insects. Do you know insects, spiders, earthworms? Earthworms are present under the ground, underground. These are called as farmer friends. Earthworms will be very useful, children, to the farmer. And scorpions are danger, children. So all these four, what are the four? Insects, spiders, earthworms, scorpion come under, okay, creepy crawlies. Where these creepy crawlies are present? In the soil, in the water, on the plants and in the air. Okay. Now, you see children, one diagram is there. See here, this is cockroach. This is a cockroach. See, let's see the parts of the cockroach. See the parts of the cockroach. So, what are the parts that are present in the cockroach? Children, what is this diagram on the board? Yes, this is cockroach. Have you seen the cockroaches in your house? Especially these cockroaches are present in the kitchen. Why? Because these cockroaches like the dark and damp place. Which is moist, which is dark. In the kitchen cupboards you can observe. Okay. Now these cockroaches, can the cockroaches fly, children? Yes, cockroaches can walk. Cockroaches can fly also. So here, if you observe, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are there. So this is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part, okay, and this is fourth part, this is fifth part, and this is sixth part. What is the first part, children? This is called as head. Like human beings, like us, cockroaches also have head. Next, thorax. We have thorax here, no? We have thorax here. This is trachea. Like these cockroaches also have thorax. And abdomen. This part is called as abdomen, children. This part is called as abdomen. Even the cockroach also have abdomen. Next one is legs. Children, we have legs, no? Even cockroaches also have legs. Children, do we have wings? No, but cockroaches have wings. With the help of the wings, cockroaches can fly. And these are called as antenna. See here, small and long string-like hair. Long string-like hair. If you observe the cockroach, okay, this is called as antenna. This is called as antenna. Okay. Once again I repeat, head, thorax, abdomen, legs, wings and antenna. Legs, wings and antenna. Cockroach is present in the dark place. Cockroach is present in the dark place. Children, if you will observe, do you know is there? Do you know? A queen bee can lay as many as 1500 eggs, okay, in a day. So actually, this is about the honeybees. This is about the honeybees. I am writing here. This is about the honeybees. You see, children, I am writing in the box. I am writing in the box. So what is there? A queen bee. So this is in the case of, do you know? Honeybees, children. Okay. A queen bee. A queen bee can lay. A queen bee can lay as many as 1500 eggs. How many, children? 1500 eggs in a day. So this is in the case of honeybees. Okay, honeybees, children. Yes, see, honeybees, a queen bee. Actually, in honeybees, I will tell there are three division: queen, okay, female and male. Queen, female, and male. So this queen is also a female, but so many females will be present. Okay, so male and female and queen. Now this queen bee can lay how many eggs, children? 1500 eggs per day. 1500 eggs per day. So see how much this is okay, having the capacity, and this is very interesting thing also. This is very interesting thing also.